Don't go away. The Night Show will be right back. The Gerber generation is all for balanced nutrition. Only graduates little entrees has protein, grains, and the side of veggies made with no preservatives, plus a taste that's totally toddler. From Gerber. Oops! Oh no! When kids take a sip, their drink cup slips, flips, and drips. Well, now parents can relax when they mess up. Introducing the spill-free Wow Cup, winner of the prestigious Mom's Choice Award. It's the amazing drink system where kids can roll, jump, and spin, and the drink always stays in. It's easy. Just add a favorite beverage, attach the spill-free lid, and they're off. Then you can drink anywhere along the rim, just like a regular cup. No more spouts, levers, or caps to worry about. Watch, using a clear bottom. Look how this guy easily gulps down his drink. Then, after he's had enough, it automatically seals itself. Amazing! The secret auto sealing technology that allows liquid to flow only when you drink. Once you stop, it forms a watertight seal, guaranteed. Even over this expensive computer, not a single drop of grape juice. Amazing! Moms and dads will never clean up messy drink spills again or change soaked outfits at the last minute. Wow Cup is BPA free, virtually indestructible, and blocks dirt and debris from ever getting in. Use it to quench thirst on long trips or prevent embarrassing accidents in public places. And it's especially useful during the middle of the night. Perfect for kids of all ages. Why hassle with straw, spouts, and small rubber pieces? With Wow Cup, just fill, twist, and sip, and it won't ever drip. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. When you order, we'll send you the award-winning Wow Cup in your choice of pink or blue for $10. But wait, what's better than a one Wow Cup? Two Wow Cups. That's right. You can double the offer. The amazing spill-free Wow Cup, $10. This offer is not available in any store, and suppliers are limited. Must be 18 years or older to order. You must be 18 years or older to call 1-800-928-2785 or visit www.wowcup.com. That's www.wowcup.com, or you can call 1-800-928-2785.